Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Tahanan Village, Parañaque City to show you this 3-story modern house and lot for sale. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts, and please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation, itong property facing northeast. And in front, you can notice na wala tayong perimeter fence in front of the property. Well, the properties or the subdivision is real secured, 24/7 stationary guards and roving guards. And hindi kayo makakapasok without any advice from the existing homeowners nitong subdivision, no? Okay. So in front, itong yung open 4-vehicle carport. For the flooring, homogeneous tiles with matte texture. Well, you still have the options if you want to enclose this area with your perimeter gate or an automated gate. No, well, depende sa inyo yan. So on either side, 2-vehicle carport on either side, total of 4. So mga huge vans on this side and yung mga SUV kasya in this space. We also have an access going on the side of the property dito sa inyong service area, and on the other side, additional space for the easement around 1 to 2 meters with your side garden. So we have those security gate, an accent wall, and it adds some warm and cozy vibe before we enter dito sa inyong property. Pasok tayo. So for the porch area, 3 steps up or 4 steps up with your travertine flooring, engineered yan sa buong ground level, kaya pagpasok mo sa property, talagang mararamdaman mo yung very welcoming vibe because of the color combination ng buong loob. Ang ganda ng property talaga, very warm and homey vibe. For our main door, solid wood nara with pivot hinge para mas madali gamitin with your modern door lock. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering from your main door, you will be welcomed by an open layout design dito sa buong ground floor. And again, for the flooring travertine, very elegant yung vibe. It complements well dito sa ating LED lights or itong mga pin lights, warm yung kanilang nilagay dito and napakaganda, no? Ganun din with our floorboards or itong mga laminated boards as an accent wall dito sa inyong living or your dining area. So this is the dining area. Again, I'm sorry. It can cater up to 8 to 10-seater dining table. Depende kung paano nyo gustong ipwesto itong area na ito. Ayan. So symmetrical dito sa inyong cove ceiling. And in this space, maybe pwede kayo maglagay dito ng grand piano or anything na gusto nyo ilagay for informal dining, additional space. It depends to you, no, kung paano nyo gustong i-maximize this area. So we have this accent wall, adding some warm and cozy vibe dito sa loob ng property. You also have your huge split type AC, and you can also notice that big window which connects the outdoor going here. No, you have the view ng inyong side garden. Napakagandang tignan. For the material use na ginamit nila dito sa mga sliding windows and sliding doors, these are high-grade aluminum and tempered glass. You can also notice itong inyong elevator up to 3rd floor. So very convenient to use, especially sa mga elderlies with you. We have this door, additional storage space, but currently nakalock, no? So on the other side, so we have this open layout design dito sa buong ground floor. Coming from your main door, you have your L-shape or itong inyong corner window facing dito sa facade ng property, adding some lots of natural light or allowing some natural light in this space. Medyo redundant. So in this area, ito yung inyong magiging living space or receiving. You also have provision for your hanging lights or chandelier. And on this side, you have your huge split type AC. Ganda ng flooring. And dito sa dulo, your main kitchen. Lots of counter space for your food preparation dito sa L shape and your huge island counter. You can utilize this space as your breakfast nook or a quick work area. For the counter quartz, yung kanilang nilagay, it also comes with additional storage base cabinets. So these are modular with soft closing hinges. Ganon din with your drawers for your cutleries or utensils. And dito sa L-shaped counter naman, ganon din with the backsplash, quartz finish with your integrated induction cook hub and range hood. And of course, your 2 or 4-door refrigerator surrounded by these cabinet for your as the pantry, no? So mas madali mag-organize ng inyong canned goods or dry goods. And dito naman your multipurpose sink. Napakagandang sink nito, no? Again, these are base cabinets. So lots of storage space, additional electric outlets on either side for your appliances. Very modern yung itsura and it really stand out dito sa buong ground level because of the accent wall coming from that area. Itong wood panels installed and going here parang very modern bigla. Ang ganda ng vibe. You also have provision for hanging lights and if in the future ayaw nyo amoy yung lulutuin nyo, we have this option. Itong additional service area, pwede nyo gamitin as your auxiliary kitchen. Currently, may mga unting gamit pa nakalagay dito, no? Tiled finish for the counter and backsplash. And going here, nandito naman yung mga rooms para sa inyong male and female staff quarters. Ayan. So, windows for proper natural light or for proper ventilation and natural light. Ito naman, nakalock naman itong and additional maybe as your storage or pwedeng gamitin as male staff quarters. And their toilet and bath. And the space for your laundry, pwede nyo rin i-enclose itong area na ito para covered and mas madali kumilos dito sa inyong magiging service area. And up to here, you have your 2-meter setback, your side garden. So, depende na sa inyo kung paano nyo gusto i-maximize itong space. Okay, so we're almost done here dito sa ground floor. Pero bago tayo umakyat, tignan muna natin itong inyong bedroom 1. So this is the perfect spot for your elderly. So ayaw nilang gumamit ng stairs. But anyway, we have home lift or elevator for them. So ito yung lugar ninyo for your bed frame. Huge window, split type AC. Your ensuite toilet and bath with enclosure for the shower space. And on the right side, meron tayong floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage. Okay, so let's go up dun sa inyong second floor. Again, we have this elevator. Pero akyat tayo. No? For the stairs, solid wood staircase. Ganun din with the riser. But currently, nakabalot ito ng cartons. No? So para mas ma-retain yung pristine condition para sa new owners, mas ma-enjoy nila yung brand new feels. Corner window, lots of natural light dito sa inyong stairs. Here's the second floor. We have 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. And we have an access to the balcony. And by the way, for the flooring, laminated wood. And of course, with wood grain design. Ang ganda rin ng vibe in this area. Very, parang ang ganda, very inviting sa mga, alam nyo na, kapag nasa second floor ka, warm and cozy vibe palagi. So, 3 bedrooms, and ito yung inyong magiging bedroom 2. The location of your bed frame, your split type AC, floor-to-ceiling cabinet, lots of storage space, your vanity area, or your console table. So, we have that LED lights dun sa loob ng inyong cabinet with soft close hinges. and your toilet and bath. And your bedroom 3. And by the way, wala kang halos manonotice dito na plain white wall. So talagang meron silang mga accent sa mga walls nila na kaya napakaganda ng vibe. Parang hotel finish yung kanilang mga bedrooms. So the location of your king size bed kasha in this area, even your couch and your island counter, your media wall, huge awning window for proper ventilation and natural light, your split type AC, your cabinet, the walk-in closet area, lots of storage space, soft close hinges, and your toilet and bath. And balik tayo dito, no? So this is your bedroom 4 or the master bedroom. Of course, pinakamalaki in terms of bedroom size, location of your media wall, dito yung inyong king size bed. Well, depende sa inyo on how you want na i-maximize itong space na to. Well, napakaluwag naman ito and pwede nyo laruin, no, according to your preferences. You have your split type AC and again, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong couch or center table. Your walk-in closet, deep cabinets in design, napakaganda, seamless, very nice, very neat. Again, lots of storage space. Ayan, with LED lights installed sa loob ng cabinet, very modern yung vibe. And your ensuite toilet and bath. You have your water closet, your dual sink, and your spacious shower space with enclosure. And before tayo umakyat doon sa inyong third floor, tingnan natin yung balcony. Mapapansin nyo, no, laki nung mga doors nila dito. So around maybe 130, 140 yung lapad nung door. Ang laki, ang gandang tingnan. So this is your balcony facing dito sa facade ng inyong property. Frameless tempered glass, an accent wall with your accent light. Ang ganda in this area, no? Ganda nung hangin. And, well, you know, kung familiar kayo with Tahanan Village, very secured community, high-end yung vibe. Okay din yung neighborhood. Okay. So, akyat tayo sa inyong third floor. Ganun pa rin with the materials used dito sa inyong stairs. Frameless tempered glass as your handrails. Again, lots of natural light coming from your corner window. And here sa third floor, we have this enclosure para mas ma-retain nyo yung temperature coming from your 2 split type AC. Included na sa selling price yan, no? Mapapansin nyo rin lots of natural light dito sa third floor with your huge or floor-to-ceiling windows, no, surrounding in this area. Ang ganda nitong space na to sa third floor. So, your family area or the entertainment space, you can utilize this area as your gym or simply ang family area lang. You have your cove ceiling design, pin lights installed, very warm and maganda, no? Pwede yung mga Saturday nights nyo or Friday nights in this space with your huge television set, PlayStation, or whatnot. Bahala na kayo dyan. And we have your kitchenette with your refrigerator and your counter para sa inyong magiging bar. Your powder room. Again, dito sa third floor for the flooring, travertine flooring. Pakagandang vibe talaga, no? And itong inyong balcony. So yeah, you have the view ng Tahanan Village. And before we end this house tour, we have the remaining bedroom pa. So this will be your bedroom 5. Depende sa inyo on how you want to maximize this space, but we have that sliding door for your huge furnitures, huge split type AC, the location of your bed frame in this space, and your media wall in that area. So kunyari man, you have your projector, bagay na bagay yan dyan. But if you want na gamitin to as the bedroom, pwede with your own toilet and bath. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new 3-story modern tropical industrial home located here in Tahanan Village, Parañaque City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.